Well, how are you getting on? Welcome back. I'm still here in Ninh Binh, or like Trang Lawn, just outside Ninh Binh. Definitely got the pronunciations wrong there. I've picked up this scooter. I'm gonna pick up my German friend and we're gonna go and explore. Vanessa, say hello.
Hello.
Just exploring, having a look around, and there's this nice temple here. Have a look at it. Don't know anything about it, but maybe we'll find out soon. Not sure what's going on here. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah, I don't know. Like
So that nice old lady gave us some of these things from the tree. Very kind. They look like lychees, which I was eating in China, but they're much smaller. Let's have a go. Very nice. And then you have a big pip in your mouth. And it's gone. So we parked our moped on the side of the street. They literally jump out on the road to try to get you to park in their little area. And then they started coming over to try charge us to park on the street, which, you know, they don't own the path or whatever. And then they were trying to get other tourists, and I told them, oh, park over here, we're not paying anything. And then there's all commotion. There's about 5 people then all arguing. And we just walked away. We don't care. That's where your beef noodles comes from. How's your ice cream?
Yeah, not as good as it looks like.
It's not that great, to be honest, but that's why they're...
But it looks good.
How much were they? 35 cents? That's why. I'm letting Vanessa drive now. She's taking her helmet off. Is she trying to tell me something? Okay. I think Vanessa thinks we're on the Autobahn here. If you have a scooter in Vietnam and you want to save money, just honestly, just park it down the road a bit from wherever you're going. Pull it up on the street. That's what Vanessa's just done now. She just found a spot over here on the path, out of focus. Okay, there we go. See, she's a baller, not a bother. It feels very good. Not for impolite visitors, I think I'll have to leave. That was really nice in there, but imagine paying 50,000 to go in there, which 2 other people that we met did while they were parking their bike, and they got scammed into buying a ticket which doesn't exist because it's free. Unbelievable. Anybody fancy a bit of rice? Back at the hostel now, only like 5 p.m. and the heavens are about to open up. It's gone completely black in the sky. The storm is coming. Anyway, gonna leave this one here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a like, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. See you real soon. Good luck.